In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer host privileges in a Zoom meeting. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you need to manage your Zoom meetings efficiently or if you need to delegate hosting duties to another participant during a meeting. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to pass the host role seamlessly, ensuring your meeting continues without a hitch. First, let's start by getting familiar with the Zoom interface. Imagine you're already in a Zoom meeting, and now, for whatever reason, you need to make someone else the host. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the participant panel. Look towards the bottom of your Zoom window. There, you'll see a few icons, and one of them is labeled Participants. Go ahead and click on that. This action opens up a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen, which lists the names of everyone currently in the meeting. Now that you have your Participants panel open, you'll see the list of all attendees. Carefully scroll through the listed names until you identify the person you'd like to assign as the new host. Once you've found this person's name, you're going to notice a small icon to the right. It's either 3 dots or labeled as More, depending on how your Zoom is set up. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options related to that participant. In this drop-down menu, you will see a variety of choices. The one you're interested in is labeled Make Host. Understand that selecting this option will transfer all host controls and responsibilities to the person you've chosen. This includes things like muting participants, admitting people from the waiting room, and starting or stopping recording. Be sure that this is what you want before proceeding. After you've selected Make Host, a confirmation window might appear, asking you to verify that you want to make this participant the new host. This is Zoom's way of making sure that any changes are intentional. If you see this confirmation screen, simply click Yes or OK to finalize the host transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred host rights to another participant within your Zoom meeting, allowing them the control needed to manage the event effectively. It's important to remember that passing the host role can only be done by the current host, so make sure you have the appropriate rights when attempting to perform this action. This method is particularly beneficial when a meeting needs to continue seamlessly, even after the original host has to step out. Sharing hosting duties can also allow for a more dynamic meeting as various participants can manage functions based on their roles. Always communicate clearly with your participants about any changes to hosting to avoid any interruptions or confusion.